Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Bright Box sponge is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle everything from stubborn kitchen grease to bathroom grime with unparalleled ease, making your chores significantly less daunting and more efficient. Number 5. Scotch-Brite Odor Resist Non-Scratch Scrub Sponge. Introducing a pack of 6 innovative scrub sponges designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. They are perfect for everyday use in your kitchen. These sponges are engineered to scrub away tough messes quickly while maintaining their cleanliness. Experience a faster, more effective clean. Don't worry about stubborn food residues like eggs or cheese. They rinse away effortlessly, leaving the sponge clean after every use. Enjoy a guaranteed odor-free experience for up to 3 weeks. Our special technology actively resists bacterial odors, keeping your sponges fresh. These multipurpose sponges are safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including dishes, non-stick cookware, countertops, and even bathroom fixtures. Please avoid using them on stainless steel appliances. What we like. This sponge is designed to stay clean and resist odors for up to 3 weeks. It rinses clean easily, even with sticky food like eggs and cheese. If you're looking for a reliable sponge that won't develop unpleasant smells and is gentle on your cookware, this is a great choice. What people say. These sponges tackle tough messes, burnt-on food, stubborn grease, and everyday grime, without scratching my non-stick pans, stainless steel, or glassware. The non-scratch scrub side feels sturdy and effective, yet gentle enough to use on all sorts of cookware. Even after heavy use, they stay fresh much longer than typical sponges and don't develop that unpleasant smell. Number 4. Kojic Acid Soap Plus African Net Sponge, 2-pack. Discover the power of our original Japanese complex, designed to target and correct dark spots. Achieve a more balanced and even skin tone for a radiant glow. Our unique blend of hyaluronic acid, retinol, and collagen works to combat sun damage and minimize blemishes. Experience smoother, more radiant skin with every use. Included is an African net sponge, perfect for reaching all areas of your body. Its durable nylon material creates a rich lather and dries quickly. Infused with turmeric, this formula helps restore moisture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its scar-reducing properties promote clearer, healthier-looking skin. Suitable for all skin types, this versatile soap can be used on your face, underarms, inner thighs, and neck. It's an effective solution for dark spots and uneven skin tone for both men and women. What we like. This soap is formulated with a Japanese complex to help even skin tone and reduce dark spots. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and collagen for skin nourishment. If you are targeting hyperpigmentation, sun damage, or seeking an all-over brighter complexion, this set with its exfoliating net sponge is ideal. What people say. It keeps the dark spots from my armpits away. Definitely seen a difference after just a few days. This soap really has my skin smooth and lightens dark areas as well as a fresh scent. My skin is so much softer, radiant, and the bumps are almost non-existent. What's even better is that it works to fade dark areas of skin too. Number 3. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the cleaning power of the pink stuff. This miracle paste is your all-purpose solution for a sparkling home. Tackle tough grime and stains with ease. Its unique formula works wonders on various surfaces. From greasy stovetops to stubborn sink marks, it leaves your kitchen surfaces gleaming. Restore the shine to your bathroom. It effectively cleans tiles, grout, and fixtures. Beyond the kitchen and bath, it's ideal for numerous cleaning tasks around your home. Experience the magic for yourself. See why everyone is raving about this incredible cleaning paste. It's the go-to for a truly clean home. What we like. This cleaning paste is a true all-rounder, tackling tough grime in kitchens and bathrooms with ease. It's known for its effectiveness on a variety of surfaces without harsh chemicals. If you want a single product that can handle multiple cleaning tasks around your home and deliver impressive results, this is the one to try. What people say. Cleaned my glass stove top with little effort on burnt-on food. Cleans copper bottom pans nicely. Took soap scum off of the shower walls, leaving them smooth and clean. Great for cleaning stoneware, stainless steel or any hard surface in the kitchen or bathroom. The paste tackles tough grime impressively well, especially on stovetops, sinks, and outdoor surfaces. A little goes a long way, and it's satisfying to see stains lift with minimal scrubbing. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, 3 count. Meet the Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This pack comes with 3 colorful sponges, ready to tackle any mess. Experience cleaning power that adapts to your needs. It becomes firm in cold water for tough jobs and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning, giving you the perfect scrub every time. Worry less about scratches. This sponge is safe for use on over a dozen surfaces, from dishes to cars, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning tool. Keep your cleaning tool fresh for longer. With proper care, it can resist odors and stains for up to 8 weeks, ensuring a hygienic clean. From kitchen utensils to bathroom surfaces, this sponge is flexible enough to clean it all. It's your go-to for tackling dirt, grime, and gunk anywhere. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it fits perfectly in your hand for a secure grip. Its unique design helps you clean faster and more effectively. What we like? This sponge offers a unique scrubbing experience where its texture changes with water temperature. It's safe for use on many surfaces without causing scratches and resists odors for weeks. If you appreciate versatility in your cleaning tools and want a sponge that adapts to different messes while staying fresh, this is an excellent option. What people say. It works great on tricky mess in half the time. The Scrub Daddy cleaned them so well I donated some and sold others. So it's made me money. The durability is also incredible. Several months later they are still going strong. These Scrub Daddy color sponges work really well. They scrub tough messes without scratching, clean easily, and don't hold odors like regular sponges. The colors are fun, and they last longer than I expected. Solid kitchen staple. Great for washing and scrubbing at the same time. They clean well and best of all, drain and do not stay dirty. Very easy to clean and work well. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Kitchen Sponges with Daddy Caddy Holder. Introducing the Scrub Daddy, a unique cleaning tool designed to tackle any mess. Its innovative material adapts to your cleaning needs, making chores easier than ever. Experience the magic of Flex Texture Foam. It becomes firm in cold water for tough jobs and soft in warm water for delicate tasks. You're in complete control of your cleaning power. Keep your cleaning space tidy with the Daddy Caddy. This sleek organizer is designed to hold your Scrub Daddy, providing a convenient and stylish storage solution for your sink. Worry less about damage. This versatile scrubber is safe for over a dozen surfaces, from dishes to car exteriors. It cleans effectively without leaving scratches behind. Enjoy a cleaner that stays fresh for longer. With proper care, it resists odors and stains for up to 8 weeks, ensuring a hygienic cleaning experience. From kitchen dishes to bathroom tubs and even outdoor furniture, this tool handles it all. Its flexibility makes it perfect for tackling dirt, grime, and gunk anywhere. What we like? This pack not only includes the versatile temperature-controlled sponges but also a handy caddy for smart sink storage. They are scratch-free and odor-resistant, making cleaning efficient and pleasant. If you're looking to organize your sink area while maintaining effective, gentle cleaning power, this bundle offers great convenience and performance. What people say. Hot water softens them up, while cold water keeps them firmer, for better scrubbing. They have never scratched any surfaces, even with cold water, even on my good non-stick pans. The holder fastens to the inside of the sink with suction cups, and you just slide the posts into the eyes of the sponge to hang it. Perfect for drip drying and keeping handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.